go by. Little bird, sitting on a tree, chirping, hopping, flapping wings, so cheerful and free. Little bird, come and play with me. We will laugh and get together, happy as can be. Blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.